Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, here we look second exercise of this AutoCAD 2D sketch. So look how we create this 2D sketch in AutoCAD. So first of all, we create three circle here. So long bigger circle will be 90 to 76 and 60 diameter. So here we create this one exercise. So go to the line and create one line up to here. Okay, and select this here we select the center diameter, and from any point we select and make the circle up to here and make it 92 dia. Okay, again select this circle, select this point, and we make the second circle. So select this point and make up to 76. Again select this circle and make the circle from this point up to here, and this will be 60 diameter. Okay, and here we create horizontal and vertical center line. So go to the line and make sure ortho mode is on. So select this point and make the line up to here. Okay, again select this line and make the line up to from this point up to here. Now here we create a circle to this circle profile. So we create this circle of 10 diameter. So select the circular diameter. Okay, and here we select this one and make the dia 10. Okay, and now look here we create 8 number of patterns. So we basically use the array feature command in AutoCAD. In SolidWorks we use a circular pattern, but AutoCAD we use array command. So in your keyboard type array. Okay, and here it will ask the body to linear circular pattern. So we select this circular sketch, then enter, and it will ask array type. So here we select polar, and we specify the center point. So select this center point, and it will ask the number of instances, and it will be generally 6 number of instances, but if you want to apply more instances, so here we click I, this menu bar, enter, and we need 8 number of, so make it 8. Okay, so here we create this circular pattern. Look here. Okay, and here we make the offset of 55 mm from this center point, and from this one offset make the offset of 32, and here we create two circles. A smaller circle will be 14 dia and the outer circle will be 28. So create on this one. So here go to the offset and we make the offset of 55. So make it 55, enter. Now select this line. So we create this offset, and from this line we create the offset of 32. So again go to the offset command and now select this one 32, select this line. So here we create this. Again we create here. So select, go to this offset and make it 55, enter, select this one, okay, and here we select this line and make the line to here. Look, okay, and here we create the offset of 32 from this line. So again select this offset and make it 32 mm, select this one and make it here. So here we create two circle. So go to the circle, diameter circle. Now select this point, we create circle. So select this one and make a circle. Sorry, it's not select this one and select and make it 14. Enter. Now again select this one and from this point make the second circle will be 28 diag. Okay, now here do one thing, we make the copy of this both circle to this point. So here look how we make this copy features in AutoCAD. So here first trim this line and then okay, and here we go to the copy command, select this copy. Now select this line and this, sorry not line, select this circle, both circle, then enter. Now here we select this point and copy to this point. So here we select this end point. Okay, now here we create line. So select this point and make the line up to, make sure it is ortho mode on. So press F8. Okay. Now again select this line and we create line up to look like here. Now here we apply the fillet to this circle of 14 radius. So look here we apply this fillet of 14 radius to both circles. So it's better to use tan radius. So select this tan radius. Now here we select this outer of this circle and this circle, and here it will ask the radius of circle. So select 14, enter. Now look here we create, and again we create this one also. So go to this one, select this tan radius. Now select this circle, outer circle, this one, and make it also 14. Okay, and here we trim this unwanted portion. So go to the trim command, enter. Okay, now here delete this one. Again delete this one also. Here we no need, select this one. Now here delete. Select this one and delete. Select, delete. Okay, now remove this one. Here we use trim command, select trim, enter, double enter, delete this one and this one. So there is no need. Okay, now here we create this sketch and we convert this second circle to reference, for reference. So select this one. Okay, and here we select the line and we make the line from this point up to here. Select this line, select this one. Okay, now here we select this line and make the line up to from this point to this one. Now here we apply the dimension to this one. So go to the here we select dia, select this one 92, enter, press enter key. Now select this one 76. Now again enter, press key, and it will be 60. And this smaller circle will be 10. So select and we need 8 number of pattern here, and we select this one and make it linear dimension. Now select the center point to this point, and this gap will be 55. Now again select the enter key, and from this point to this point, and here it will gap 32. Here it will also same, so we did not mention. Now this smaller circle, so go to this dia. Now select this smaller circle, it will be 14, and this one, so again select enter key and make it, this one will be 28. Okay, and here we mention this radius of this circular, so go to here and now select radius, and it will be 14. Now here select all this, now here we change the color to like this one. So guys, look how we create this 2D sketch in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.